Microsoft Fabric, an end-to-end solution empowering you to get instant actionable insights on streaming data, is now enhanced with real-time intelligence. It introduces a new rich governed experience to discover, manage, and consume event data across your entire company. Work with any data, both from Microsoft sources and across clouds, with a variety of out-of-the-box connectors. With a simple drag-and-drop experience, you can route the relevant data to the right destination in Microsoft Fabric. Just a few clicks and you are set to explore insights on petabytes of streaming data. Harness the intelligence of Copilot in Microsoft Fabric using simple natural language to elevate your analysis. And as a result, make efficient business decisions faster in the moment with real-time actionable insights and respond to changing landscapes proactively. Allow users to monitor the data they need to know more about, follow changing patterns, and set alerts or actions that drive business value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the OnTarget YouTube channel.